Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sofie. I'm super excited about today's video. I created this really pretty copper coral smoky eye. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys are watching this video on Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and I'm just applying this evenly all over my lid just to get a nice even base. I set it with a little bit of translucent powder, and then for my brow bone highlight, I'm going into my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13. Next, I'm picking up my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going into this color right here called Candied Peach, and I'm just applying this into my crease, and it's the perfect pink transition color, so I'm just buffing this into my crease with a nice fluffy brush. Next, I'm picking up my Morphe 15T palette, and I'm picking up this really bright coral shade, and it's a shade or two darker than the shade that we applied in our transition. So I'm just applying this in my crease with this angled brush. Next, I picked up a fluffy brush and some more of our transition color, and I'm just using that light pink color to help us blend out that line. And then I'm going to be going into the darker coral shade that we used to cut the crease, and a small tapered brush, and I'm just going to diffuse that over top of the line, and it's just going to give us a nice gradient effect and keep the definition but just add more of a gradient. Next, I'm picking up my small angled brush and some more of my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and I'm just carving my lid and setting the lid as well for a base. And I'm just patting that concealer and making sure that everything is nice and even. And then I'm going into ColourPop Cosmetics Once and Floral Jelly Shadow on the lid, and I'm just applying this nice and even, and it's a really iridescent pink shade, which I love. And then I'm going over top of that with a Jessie's Girl Eye Dust in the color Penny Arcade, and I did use some glitter glue for this pigment just because it does have a little bit of fallout, but it's one of my favorite pigments of all time, and you could pick that up at the drugstore. And then I'm going into the first transition color that we applied, and I'm just diffusing that on the outer corner, and then I'm also going to start to build depth on that outer corner. So first starting with the transition color and then going into the color that we used to cut the crease, so the darker coral shade. And it definitely added dimension to this look and definitely pulled everything together. And then next I'm just going to be peeling off the tape and then applying my Shop Sofie Bao lashes in the style Bali. And we do have a sale live on the site, so if you guys want to check that sale out, then just go ahead and click the link in the description box down below. And then for the lower lash line, I'm just going to be adding the same colors that we applied in the crease, and then just going to be applying some mascara to the lower lashes. The mascara that I love to use on my lower lashes is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then I'm going to be applying some of my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 to my inner tear duct, and also a little bit more to my brow bone. And then the last step for this look, I'm just going to be running my spoolie through some bar soap. And I think in my last video I said that I used Olay bar soap, but I use Dove bar soap, so I guess I got it confused. But any bar soap will work. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys want to be entered in our monthly giveaways, then just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you turn your post notifications on. Make sure you're subscribed. And then comment done in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!